Stop scrolling. Guys, are you drowning in a sea of disorganized information? Ever wondered how the top professionals keep their data effortlessly organized and accessible? Meet Remio, your revolutionary AI assistant that's turning chaos into clarity. Remio is not just another tool, it's your personal AI-powered ally that's redefining knowledge management. Imagine having a time machine that automatically captures every web page you've browsed. When you want to revisit a topic or content, simply use AI search to rewind and retrieve it in seconds, like flipping through a personal timeline of knowledge. Let's dive into details. So guys, what is Remio and why you really need to pay attention here? It's designed to transform your workflow with its intuitive features like info auto capture and knowledge management. Save time by letting Remio suggest collections to organize your information systematically. And when you're writing, watch as relevant notes and accurate citations appear to inspire you. Also, ask the AI Copilot to help you with what you are writing based on your knowledge base. So guys, why do thousands of professionals trust Remio? Because it seamlessly captures the information you encounter in daily life and work, saving it to your second brain with ease. Its powerful AI Ask lets you retrieve forgotten materials in seconds with fuzzy search and also assists in generating weekly and daily reports, turning vague queries into structured insights. All while prioritizing privacy as Remio stores all data locally. From students to product managers, users are raving about how Remio is boosting their productivity and ensuring their data remains private. Imagine what you could achieve with all the time saved. So if you don't like clutter but still want clarity, let Remio do the heavy lifting. The secret to a more efficient workflow is just a click away. Are you ready to unlock it? Try Remio today and prepare to be amazed. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Arena to follow all the great AI news.